Grand Krust, the wild taste. Today we're going to make lamb chops with red shrimp and honey. To make this recipe for 4 people, you'll need 1 box of peeled Argentinian red shrimp, 400 grams Grand Krust, 400 grams of lamb chops, 1 leek, 1 carrot, 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, olive oil, salt, black pepper, half a cup of white wine, 1 cup of water, and fresh chives. To begin, remove and save the bone from the lamb chop and cut the meat into strips. You can also use veal cutlets or sirloin steak if you prefer. Next, heat a splash of oil in a pot. When it's hot, brown the bones. When the bones have been browned, add flour and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add wine and let the alcohol reduce. Next, add water, season, and let the mixture boil. While the sauce is cooking, cut the leeks into slices and the carrots into sticks. Sauté the leek and carrot over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the shrimp and sauté for another minute. Season and set aside. It's time to salt and pepper the meat. Then sauté it in a pot until golden brown. When the sauce is reduced by half, pass it through a colander and add it to the meat. Next, add the honey and let everything simmer for 5 minutes. Finally, add the vegetables and the shrimp to the pot and let it cook for another 5 minutes. The only thing left is to plate the food and top it with some sesame seeds and freshly chopped chives. Bon appetit!